Hello. In this presentation, we'll be discussing insurance coverage offered by Standard Insurance Company, also known as the Standard. OEBB is partnered with the Standard to offer optional life and optional accidental death and dismemberment insurance. These benefits are not available to all OEBB members. Please refer to your cover letter to determine which options are available to you. Think of your benefits as income protection when life doesn't go as planned. Consider your individual needs as you make decisions about your benefits. Throughout this presentation, we will help you understand how these benefits can keep your family's financial lives moving in the right direction. What is life insurance for? In part, life insurance provides replacement income for your family should you pass away. It can also help cover costs that arise after your death, such as medical expenses, funeral or burial costs, taxes, outstanding debts, probate costs, child care expenses, housing, education, spouse living or retirement. Do you need life insurance? Ask yourself this question: would someone suffer an economic hardship if I died today? If the answer is yes, the next step is to determine what you wish to accomplish with a life insurance benefit. Here are some possibilities. Cover your medical and final expenses. Keep your kids and spouse in their home, neighborhood, and schools. Help cover education costs for your children. Provide a financial gift for loved ones. Provide financial support while your loved ones grieve. What are your goals? Setting goals can help you determine how much life insurance to apply for. Consult our needs estimator to help calculate the right amount of life insurance to meet your goals. You are being provided the opportunity to apply for optional life and/or optional accidental death and dismemberment insurance. The coverage available to you is determined by your employer. There are several options to consider when deciding to apply for optional life and/or optional AD&D insurance. Amount of coverage. You may apply for an amount of optional life coverage within the following schedule: $10,000 to $500,000 in increments of $10,000. AD&D stands for accidental death and dismemberment. This benefit is payable if you die as the result of a covered accident. Part or all of the benefit may be payable if you suffer a dismemberment as a result of such an accident. The percentage payable is described in the covered loss table in your certificate of insurance. You may elect AD&D coverage in increments of $10,000 from $10,000 to $500,000. Guarantee issue maximum. Depending on your eligibility, $200,000 is the maximum amount of coverage you may apply for during the initial enrollment without answering health questions. If you purchase coverage during your initial enrollment period and your coverage remains in force, you can apply to increase your coverage up to $20,000, not to exceed the guarantee issue maximum amount, again without answering health questions, during any future annual enrollment period. Late enrollees, those previously eligible but not insured, those requesting reinstatement, and those requesting an amount above the guarantee issue may be required to submit proof of good health. Please refer to your certificate of insurance for more details. Accelerated benefit. If you become terminally ill, you may be eligible to receive a portion of your benefit, up to 90% of your life coverage to a maximum of $500,000, and use it however you'd like while you are still living. You can use this to pay off medical bills, take a vacation with your family, or make a gift to loved ones. The choice is yours. Your life coverage amount would be reduced by the accelerated benefit amount. Portability and conversion. If your life and/or AD&D insurance ends because your employment terminates, you may be eligible to buy portable group insurance coverage from the Standard. If your life insurance reduces or ends, you may be eligible to convert your existing life insurance to an individual life insurance policy without submitting proof of good health. You may also apply for insurance for your spouse and/or children aged 25 and younger. If you buy life and/or AD&D insurance for yourself, you may also buy coverage for your eligible children and/or spouse. This is called dependents life and AD&D insurance. Amount of coverage for your spouse. You may apply for an amount of life coverage for your spouse within the following schedule: $10,000 to $500,000 in increments of $10,000. Amount of coverage for your child. You may apply for an amount of life coverage for your child within the following schedule: $2,000 to $10,000 in increments of $2,000. Guarantee issue maximum. Depending on your eligibility, this is the maximum amount of coverage you may apply for your spouse and children during initial enrollment without answering health questions. Late enrollees, those previously eligible but not insured, those requesting reinstatement, and those requesting an amount above the guarantee issue may be required to submit proof of good health. Please refer to your certificate of insurance for more details. If you buy AD&D insurance for yourself, you can also buy AD&D coverage for your dependents. You may select AD&D insurance coverage in $10,000 increments from $10,000 to $500,000 for your spouse, and in $2,000 increments from $2,000 to $10,000 for your child. The elected life and/or AD&D amounts cannot exceed your life and/or AD&D amounts. Travel assistance provided through an arrangement with a service provider that is not affiliated with the Standard is available if you are enrolled in the Standard's life insurance coverage. It provides travel assistance to you and your immediate family members when you're traveling 100 miles or more from home for up to 180 days, domestically or internationally, for business or pleasure. 24-hour assistance for basic and emergency services include replace lost or stolen items, access translation services, receive medical assistance, seek evacuation help. This policy has exclusions, limitations, reduction of benefits, and terms under which the policy may be continued in force or terminated. Before deciding on the coverage that's right for you, please review the additional information including costs and complete details of coverage available at the Standard's OEB microsite at www.standard.com/mybenefits/OEBB. We hope you found this presentation helpful. Thanks for watching.